In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate in the Virtual Property Tour. If you open the tour, you'll find an information screen which provides information about the position of the functions to those who are not familiar with the property tour yet. Up here, you can find the map selector. On the left there is the map. At the bottom, there's the gallery, the sharing function, and the menu. If you click anywhere on the screen, the tour opens and now you can control it. You can navigate with the mouse by moving it while holding down the left mouse button. Wherever you move it, the screen follows the movements of the mouse. In this way, you can navigate in the tour. If the four arrows in the circle change into one big arrow, you can click on it to change your position in the property. You can follow your movements on the map on the left as well. There are check marks on the map on those places you have already been to. If you click on one of the point of views, you can move there immediately, like this. You can also follow your movements in the gallery at the bottom. If you click on a photo, you can go to the chosen place. You can also use the left and right arrow keys to change your positions. Clicking on these, you can view the rooms in a certain order. Apart from the mouse, you can use the keyboard as well. Using them, you can move to the left, to the right, up and down. If the big arrow appears on the screen, you can change your position by pressing the Enter key. At the bottom you can find the Share button. You can share the links on Facebook or on YouTube, or you can get the QR code and also the embedding code if you want to embed the tour into a website. Next to it you can find a menu which contains the tour's additional useful functions. On the left hand side next to the sign in icon you can find the public features, while functions on the right are only available after signing in. After you sign in with the data you've got in email, functions like the datasheet, the settings, the pictures, protections, sales, rooms and places will be available. The Virtual Property Tour works on every platform, including computers, tablets and smartphones as well.